ladies, so today's video is a review of, well, an unboxing of Pink Diamond Luxury Lashes from Miss Avis Campbell, aka Miss Redbone. Y'all know who that queen is. So she sent me some lashes, and I have the names of them right here, so let's get into it. It came in a really cute little bag, a little satchel like this, and already I can tell these are so gorgeous. So the first style is this one right here, and this is the style Greed. As you can see right there, forgive my nails, y'all, finna get them done, but look how pretty those are. And these are mink lashes. We also have the next one, which is in the style Bow Down, and these are 22mm mink lashes. Ain't those gorgeous, y'all? And then the last pair we have is called Slayer, y'all. Y'all know I'm gonna slay my ass off with these, but this is called Slayer, and these are faux mink 25mm lashes. Alright, and that's Pink Diamond Luxury Lashes, y'all. I will leave the IG, the website, and all that good stuff in the description bar. And y'all, we're gonna come up with some looks with these. Also, I thought it was super cute, super cute. She has little cute pink little rhinestones in the bag, you know, like little pink diamonds. I love that. That is super cute. And I need y'all to stay tuned because we are going to do 3 separate looks with these lashes, and y'all stay tuned for the next video. The first look will be loaded today. Once again, that is Pink Diamond Luxury Lashes. All the information will be in the description bar, and as well as, y'all, I will be telling y'all about everything about the look, including this hair color, but that will be in the next video. Thank you, ladies, for watching. Remember, stay tuned for those looks. Alright, so ladies, I was thinking about it and I completely forgot. I wanted to bring you a look and let you see how I apply my lashes, and we see how beautiful these things are. Okay, so once again, this is Pink Diamond Extensions on IG and Pink Diamond Hair Extensions on Facebook. These are their Pink Diamond Luxury Lashes in the style Greed, and these are the ones that we are going to put on right now. Like I said, your lashes will come with an applicator, a really pretty pink applicator, and that's what we're going to use to apply these lashes. Alrighty, y'all, let's see how bomb this is finna look. So I have my lash glue on there. I let it dry a little bit, let it get a little tacky. And then once it is, I start from the middle. Ooh, wait, look at these bad boys. Oh my goodness. And once the, hold on, sometimes I use my finger. Once the middle is secure, then you can make sure the edges, the corners are as well. And voila. Oh my goodness, y'all, these lashes are gorgeous. Alrighty, now we're finna get to the other one. Once again, I made sure the middle was down first. Want to make sure it's actually on your lash line, not on your eyelid, and not underneath your lash line. Ooh wee. All right. So y'all, these are the style Greed. And I'm so in love, y'all. I'm so in love. I'm gonna leave all the information down in the description bar. I hope you ladies enjoyed this video. I will be doing more looks with the other pairs of lashes that I showed you guys. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're new, make sure you subscribe so you can see all the looks that are coming. As always, I love you ladies, and I will catch y'all in the next video.